I am going to read English newspaper. Meerut groom chases down pickup driver in Bollywood style drama. Weddings are meant to be joyous occasions, but for Dev Kumar, a newlywed groom in Meerut, his post-wedding journey turned into an action-packed thriller worthy of a Bollywood blockbuster. The star of the show, Dev himself, who chased down a pickup driver accused of snatching Rs rupees 100 note from his traditional currency note garland on NS58, decked out in his wedding finery, including a vibrant red turban and a garland of Rs 100 notes. Dev was on his way home after the festivities when a sneaky pickup driver allegedly swept a note from his prized garland. Dev, however, was not one to let the matter slide. Spotting the theft, the groom sprang into action. He flagged down a passing motorist, requesting a lift, and the two embarked on a dramatic chase through Meerut. Meerut's bustling national highway. The suspense heightened as they closed in on the alleged thief's vehicle. Then came the peace, the resistance. They leapt onto the moving truck, climbing through the passenger side window with all the agility of a seasoned stuntman caught on video. The scene has since gone viral, showing Dev retrieving his garland from the startled driver's grasp and climbing back out of the truck, still dressed in his wedding attire. As the drama unfolded, Dev's relatives arrived at the scene, adding reinforcement to ensure the driver did not escape. What could have been a simple case of theft quickly transformed into a comedy goldmine for social media users. One ex formerly Twitter user quipped, Cash Mala was more important than Varmala. Another joked, plot twist, the groom planned this to avoid the wedding night. Comparisons to Bhojpuri action sequences and punchlines like UP is not for beginners dominated the online chatter. The video also captured the accused driver, later identified as Manish Seghal, pleading with the groom to spare him as Dev and his relatives delivered a stern lesson in highway justice. While Dev Kumar has been hailed as a local hero, Manish Sehgal offers a different take on the incident. According to Sehgal, he had nothing to do with the alleged theft. Thank you guys for watching this. Bye.